Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr.Bookman here, and I will be reading Welcome to the World by Julia Donaldson and Helen Oxenbury. Please enjoy. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the light. Welcome to the day. Welcome to the night. Welcome to your mommy. Welcome to your beads. Welcome to the earrings and the buttons and the beads. Welcome to the pair of eyes, a smiling mouth and nose. Welcome to your fingers. Welcome to your toes. Welcome to the grass. Welcome to the green trees. Welcome to the doorbell and the jingling of keys. Welcome to the cows. Welcome to the sheeps. Welcome to the lullabies that send you off to sleep. Welcome to the sounds. Welcome to the shapes. Welcome to the strawberries and the apples, the grapes. Welcome to the colors, yellow, red, and blue, and the person in the mirror who looks a bit like you. Welcome to the clouds. Welcome to the swing. Welcome to the little birds that hop and peck and sing. Welcome to your granny's knees that bounces you up and down. Welcome to the bus rumbling around town. Welcome to the bicycles. Welcome to the cars. Welcome to granddads streaming their guitars. Welcome to your bathtub with towels and the tiles. Welcome to the songs and rhythms, the stories and the smiles. Welcome to the ladybugs. Welcome to the snails. The cats that arch their backs. The dogs that wag their tails. Welcome to the ducks. Welcome to the swans. Welcome to the cat with the coffee and the cones. Welcome to the girls. Welcome to the boys. Welcome to your teddies. Welcome to your toys. I know an officer just stopped him. The police department is sending an officer. Alright, sir. Thank you. Welcome to the daisies. Welcome to the roses. Welcome to the glasses that are fun to pull off noses. Welcome to the bubbles. that shine and go pop. Welcome to the push carts and the rides around the shop.
Don't tell me you like hanging out with my son, but you sleeping with somebody else's son. That's awkward. He's talking to me with his mom.
Welcome to the candles, the cups, the plate, and the plates and the spoons. Welcome to bananas. Welcome to balloons. Welcome to the pinwheels in the windy weather. Welcome to the babies who will grow up together. Welcome to the earth below and to the sky above. Welcome, little baby. Welcome to your love. Wasn't that a cute story? Welcoming somebody into this world. That's what they do, is welcome somebody into this world. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care.